रहा है।
अरे भाई पीछे से थोड़ा हट जाओ यार लोग यार।
सामने सामने मैम सामने।
अरे मैं
Excuse me मैम सर।
अरे मेरा कैमरा है
राइट राइट
Go back please. Excuse me sir.
मेरा कैमरा है
लुक योर राइट तारा ऑटो।
अनिकेत कैमरा है
Excuse me sir.
हो गया चलो थैंक यू
रुक्मिणी प्रसाद ladies and gentlemen, the real August. And to say congrats to our business here. And of course, our favorite, Anil Madani staff. Thank you so much, sir, for being here. चलने दीजिए, अच्छा लग रहा है थोड़ा.
मैम यहाँ पे
So what do you do is I'll request all of you to kindly sit down, sit back, relax, and enjoy the evening, right? Wow.
मैम यहाँ पे पीछे सर वेट साथ में लुक हियर यस मैम यहाँ पे यस थैंक यू
Please, thank you so much, ma'am. Looking as gorgeous as ever. Give it up for her, ladies and gentlemen. ये हैं वो unsung heroes जो किसी भी फिल्म को उस लेवल तक लेके जाते हैं जहाँ पे ऑडियंसेस दीवानी हो जाती है. मैम के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां. Thank you so much for being here with us. Thank you. All right, now I'd like to invite on stage someone जिनकी बात हम कर रहे हैं. Of course, Kandara Chapter 1. Thank you, sir, for being here. And now I'd like to invite on stage someone जिनकी तारीफ में जितना कहा जाए उतना. Give it up for Rukmini. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Yes. क्या बात है, some मतलब खतरनाक fan following out there. Okay, so now we'll start the press conference. Ladies and gentlemen. We'll do it in the end. We'll just do the conversation. अपनी बातचीत थोड़ी सी हो जाए. So, Charles, I'll start with you. You know, talking about this project. इतना can't help it. Talk to us about dressing up these wonderful people. And the second part of that question is his transformation. You know, the man has transformed into something else. So, talk to us about that, ma'am.
Thank you. For Rishabh, cinema is everything. Life and cinema is not different for him. He's like 24/7. He'll be thinking about only cinema.
Right.
So, and this project is not at all easy. Him being the writer, actor, director, this journey was not at all easy. He had to put a lot of effort, and he was so much dedicated in all the work he do for the movie. This movie has taken like everything, like he was so much drained physically, mentally, emotionally, but somehow with the blessings of all our daivas and all the audience you allow, because last time when we made a small Kannada regional movie, you gave us so much support and love, made it so bigger, and like because of that, like he had to do something and give the love back to you all. So that was the motive. So he has worked so hard. Not only him, we as a team, entire team worked like day and night so selflessly. Everybody has put so much of hard work. You all could see that in our trailer or all our content. You could see the work. Kandara experience, it's an experience. It can't be explained.
It can be felt, and we all are feeling the energy. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. रुक्मिणी जी एकदम ताज़ा है, जहाँ पे sword fight कुछ कर रहे हैं, आप दोनों इस फ्रेम में हैं. Talk to us about it. Like कितना challenging था और कितना मजा आया उसे करने में when you saw the final thing.
सही कहा आपने, चैलेंज से ज़्यादा मज़ेदार ही था. वैसे
हमारे करियर में मतलब
तुम लोग क्या
शुरुआत में ऐसा मौका मिला है जहाँ पे मुझे ढेर सारी स्किल्स एक्वायर करने का एक्सपेक्टेशन था और
छोड़ा, सब
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी
हो चुका है already.
तो मज़ा आ गया. We had some amazing instructors who were there to help us and train us with this kind of thing. You need to work on the body language of it. There has to be a certain suave style to it as well. So it was a great experience. I had a great time learning and then executing it.
What kind of brief were you given, you know, by your director, writer? क्या बताया था ये कैसा character होने वाला है? Because of course हम जो character है वो देख रहे हैं, but what were you told about it कि ये ऐसा दिखना चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए?
उन्होंने कहा था कि ये एक बहुत ही कॉम्प्लेक्स किरदार है और काफ़ी लेयर्स है इसके. मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूँगी बिकॉज बात करते करते मैं शायद पूरा कहानी बता दूँ सर. But I was told that there would be a great deal of layers, which as an actor is always fun to explore. And shoot करते समय भी, you know, there was a lot of involvement because sir was also there, so we were constantly deciding how much of this character or how much of this moment we should sort of expand on, how to develop it as we go along. So yeah, I think that's how we sort of engineered it.
Thank you so much. Chalve sir.